Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're going to consider what the equation of this cosine graph is. Um, Now, it's got some features that we can comment upon immediately. Um, Clearly this goes through two cycles within the space of two pi radians, and it's positive. As in it hasn't been flipped, it hasn't been reflected in its median. So this point is where you would expect it. This point is where you would expect it. The other thing that we can see is that it doesn't have a median of 0, it's got a median of -2, which means that it has been picked up and moved down by a factor of 2 units, whatever they are. The other thing to say is that the amplitude of this thing is 2. Now, if we compare it to a standard cosine graph, we can see all of these differences. Amplitude is 1, period is 2 pi, and the median, which I'll write in here, is 0. So we need to take account of all of these factors when we go looking at the equation of this. So let's get to work, and we're just going to fill in the relevant parts here as we go. So first things first, the easy stuff first. What's happened is that the median of this has been moved from 0 to -2. So we can scratch out the plus. That means that the whole thing has been picked up and moved down 2 units, and that is how we account for that. The second point to make is that the amplitude of this thing is 2. It's two units from here to here and 2 units from here to here. So we can account for it that way. Now, this is the thing that we're looking for. And this is usually where the trouble starts. It's also, in this case, where the trouble ends. So let's take our little formula for the period of a cosine graph. And in this case, our cosine graph's period is pi. So we are going to solve for n. This now comes down to just a bit of algebra. So 2 pi on 1 equals n times pi. 2 pi on pi equals n. So 2 equals n. That's our answer. Just to run through this again, I made the formula equal the period, and we're solving for n. A quick bit of algebra gives us 2 pi on pi. These cancel, and we're left with 2 equaling n. That is our value here. You can reverse engineer this if you want. You can pop this into a calculator and check, but this is the graph that you will get, where the domain, of course, is between 0 and 2 pi. I should have mentioned that at the start, but we're not altering the standard domain for this. What else can we say about this? As I may have your attention, the range of this function is between 0 and -4. Its amplitude is 2, as I said. Its median is -2, that's accounted for there, and this 2 here brings the period down to pi, and I'll just show you that. Why not? It's not going to hurt. 2 pi on 2 equals pi. That's our period, and the period of this thing runs from here to here and here to here, 1 pi. Simple as that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.